Hey guys, my name is Joel. I work at ASIA PMO as the Digital Content Manager. Today I'd like to talk about our digital marketing workshop, which is held on Saturday at TRG. During this workshop, you're going to learn how to create and adapt a digital marketing strategy. During this course, you're going to learn how to set your goals and objectives. You're going to learn how to identify your target customer or target customers. You're going to learn about your competitors. And then you're going to learn the more technical aspects of digital marketing like SEO, which is search engine optimization, content marketing. You're going to create a website, do keyword research, and learn how to optimize your website for search results. Furthermore, you're going to learn how to distribute your content via channels such as social media and email marketing. Finally, you're going to learn about analytics. You're going to learn how to measure your results and adjust your strategy to improve your results for the next quarters. I hope to see you guys on Saturday at TRG.